Michael. Michael. Happy Michael. Dance. 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 Happy Michael.
Michael, you gotta go where everybody else is, mama. You can't stand by mama, you gotta perform. Why you got so much energy? Okay. You can't perform right here, mama. You gotta perform on the red.
Thank you.
With your tall self.
Okay, Anthony, up. Let's go.
You gotta sing. Feliz Navidad, pero hasta felicidad. Shake your tail. Be careful, Mom. You don't want to shake? Want to open them up? Let me get her scissors. You're not gonna say Merry Christmas. Which one to open first? Which one to open first? I saw you looking at the baby doll. You wanna open this? You wanna open the baby doll? Come on, Mama. Bro, opening toys is so shit. Look at her. She got dimples like you, Mama. Dimples and curly hair. Just like you. Jumping on the couch while Mommy opening the gifts. Girl, these your gifts. You're supposed to open them. Look at her big curly. Michael, get down. What are you doing? Look at her, Mama. She look like you. Say hi. Yeah, come hold her. You can come touch her. Holding her arms out. Come here, Mama. You scared? Michael. Her arms and legs. Look, she can sit down. See? Wanna come sit down next to her? Yeah. Come sit down. Why are you being shy with the baby dog? You gotta be her friend. You gotta be her friend. Extra. Oh, she has a little hairband for you too, so y'all can match. So cute. Mama, you got one too.
Camera.
You wanna put it on? Come on, I'm gonna make it. Sitting on the couch. Together. You like it? That's yours. It's a match with your baby doll. Sorry. Mama's. You got some clothes. Michael. You got some pajamas. You got some PJs. Your grandma got you these. You like them? Clothes up here. And you got some boots. Good, mommy got you these boots. Boots. Little fur boots. Michael. Okay, let's open another toy. Are you putting the boots on? You trying them on? Make sure you put them on the right foot. That's not the right foot. This one go in here. This one down. This one. No. Right. This one go in here. Those look cute on you, mama. This is big. What is this? Look what mommy got you. Look, mama. What's that? What is that? Yeah, it is big. What
Dinosaur.
is it? Yes, the dinosaur. You like it? I think he roars too. He's a big dinosaur. Gotta sit down. You like the dinosaur? It's gonna take a lot to open this thing. You still got them boots on. Ooh. Good. This is from Grandma. Michael. Mamas. Look at the pants Grandma got you. You. And you got another coat. You got another coat. Isn't that pretty? Pretty. It's a coat. Ooh, look at this, mamas. Look, baby. We got more toys. Y'all, I scared about this dinosaur. Look, mama. It's a pizza. It's a pizza oven. Yeah, you get to make pizza with it. Ooh, you get to make the pizza and you get to sell it. Oh, it's alright. Okay, so these are peppers. Oh, this is the crust and the sauce. Put it in the pizza box. There you go. Put it in the oven. Good job. You know how to cook pizza, girl? Wet pan. Look, mama. You got more clothes from your grandma. She got a shirt. Ooh, pretty. It's a ballerina. I don't know why she got you those. She got the wrong underwear. She was supposed to get the trainer underwear. She got big girl underwear. So hopefully we can ready for you so we get our people. Baby doll. It's a baby. It's a baby you gotta take care of. I figured you would. Baby doll got a stroller. Stand up and push her right here. Look, Mama. You gotta stand up and push her right there. Go ahead and open the rest of these gifts and get it over. She do not care. All she care about is this dinosaur. Mamas, make the dinosaur roar again. Make him roar. Look, she got her boots on. Mamas. Let's see. Mommy gonna make him roar, okay? That's all she been playing with. Yeah, press it harder. I guess you like the piano too, Mama. She walked right up to it and started playing and singing. So I didn't even have to show her. She said, wiggle, 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 whatever song that is. Good job, Mama. You want him to play the piano with you? You want the dinosaur man to play the piano with you? Okay, girl.
Hey, yo. Hello.
You like that apple cider, huh? This sparkling apple juice. She already ate all her salmon. I ain't even started on my food yet.